This is the Home Suite 15 watt replacement bulb for bug zappers. This is a fluorescent bulb, 15 watt, 120 volts. It's rounded on here to give it like 360-degree coverage. The fluorescent light attracts the insects and the flies and the gnats to the machine, which kills them. If you're replacing your fluorescent bulb, you're going to want to unscrew the old one, and I'll show you how to do that. But just make sure the numbers match up, and it's pretty simple. You flip it upside down, remove the insect trap. Obviously, you want to clean the insect trap out first. Take this screw out right here, remove this portion right here, and you just very gently twist this until the bulb comes out. This thing has a standard E26 light bulb socket on it, so you just gently want to drop it in there. These two parts sit over top of the bulb, which you'll notice when you undo it. So you just kind of get it in place there and gently screw it on. You don't want to crank it tight, obviously. Once you get it on there, put this piece back on, screw it back down, Phillips head screwdriver, install your insect trap, righty-tighty, and then plug it in and see if it works. There it is. Simple as that.